Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix both shift keys are not working in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed with the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, which is the settings itself. And once it's here, please click on open to continue. You can also press Windows and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So from here at the settings, please navigate to the left side of that where you can see a list of the options. Please locate for accessibility. And under the accessibility, you can see there are three components or categories, which are vision, hearing, and interaction. And since we're dealing with the keyboard problems, which are shift keys is not working, then we need to proceed with interaction where you can see the keyboard. So under the keyboard, please bring it up. And here you can see three types of keys which are sticky, filter, and toggle. So all you need to do is you need to ensure that all of these keys are turned off. So turned off the sticky keys. In my case, it is already being off. The filter keys as well, turn it off. The toggle keys as well as turn it off. Because one of the factor why you face an error which your shift keys is not working is that you have turned it on. So it is very crucial to turn it off. Once you're done, close the window and try to press shift key in your keyboard and check if it's working. However, if not, then proceed to the second method. The second method would be you need to navigate to the settings window again. And here at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. Once you have typed that, please click on open to continue. Here at the settings, please navigate to the left side again, and this time on you need to proceed with time and language. And under the time and language, please proceed with the language and region. And from here, you need to make sure that the Windows display language is English, US, or United States. If not, you can simply click on add a language, and from here, you can type for English, type for it, and proceed on the locating for English US. Okay, in my case, it's not appearing since I have already set it as my Windows display language. So click on it. Let's say, for example, this is the English US. Click on next and wait until it will be installed here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And once you have ensured that the Windows display language is English US, you can now close the window and try to check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the third method. Our third method would be we need to update our driver, which is our keyboard driver. So by that, please proceed with the start icon. Do a right click, scroll up, and click on device manager. Once you do that, you would be able to see or open a window like this, where here you need to proceed with keyboards. So under the keyboards, click this forward arrow and select your keyboard driver. So we need to do a right click and go with update driver. So here it will opt you to choose two options, and that is to search automatically for drivers and browse my computer for drivers manually. So proceed with search automatically for drivers, and if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, click this backward arrow and proceed with the second, which you can locate and install a driver manually. Here, you need to select on Let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer, and it will show you all of the compatible driver or hardware that is good for your laptop or computer. All you need to do is you need to select on the model being available here. Click on next and install that in your Windows. And if you have another keyboard driver here, you can click on it, click on next and install that. And observe what keyboard driver would work for you best. Once you're done, close the window and check if your shift key is now working this time on. However, if not, then we need to bound to our last step. Our last step would be we need to navigate the same process, and that is to do a right click once again at the start icon and click on device manager. So here in this similar window, we need to proceed with the device manager again. I mean the keyboard under the device manager. Please click this forward arrow, select your keyboard driver, do a right click, and this time on you need to click on uninstall device. So click on uninstall device, and the moment you have uninstalled that, your problem will be fixed this time. All you need to do is you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, I'm sure your shift key will be working this time on. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your both shift keys are not working. If those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.